There's a certain kind of technology that doesn't end up in flashy keynotes or consumer hype cycles, but it's the kind of tech that literally keeps industries moving. Heavy machinery, construction sites, massive diesel engines, none of it works without precision parts doing their job day in and day out. And one of the most important components in that world is the fuel injection pump. For Caterpillar engines, specifically the C7 and C9 series, the 10R8899 fuel injection pump is a core piece of that puzzle. It might not look impressive from the outside, but what it does behind the scenes determines whether your excavator fires up smoothly, delivers full power, and runs efficiently, or whether it becomes an expensive piece of equipment stuck in downtime. The role of a fuel injection pump is deceptively simple. It delivers fuel into the cylinders of the engine at the exact right time, in the exact right amount, and at the exact right pressure. If any of those variables are off, the results are immediate. Power drops. Fuel efficiency disappears. Black smoke starts billowing from the exhaust. And the operator spends more money on fuel while getting less work done. That's why a replacement part like the 10R8899 matters so much. It's not a luxury add-on, it's the backbone of the Cat C7 and C9 engines that power machines like the 324D, 325D, and 326D excavators. These are workhorses designed to move massive amounts of earth, materials, and debris. But without a properly functioning injection pump, they simply can't perform at the level they were built for. Over time, even the best parts wear out. The heavy-duty conditions Caterpillar machines operate in, dusty job sites, constant vibration, extreme heat and cold, all contribute to gradual wear on precision parts. Once a pump starts failing, it doesn't take long before the symptoms show up. Engines might take longer to start, fuel consumption spikes, performance feels sluggish, and emissions increase. For a business that depends on uptime, that's a serious problem. That's where a replacement like the 10R8899 steps in. It's designed to match OEM standards, built to fit seamlessly into Cat C7 and C9 engines, and fully compatible with part numbers like 319, 0677 and 3,190,677. That means no adjustments, no trying to make it fit, it simply installs where the old one was and gets back to doing its job. What makes this part stand out is the restoration of performance it brings. Swap out a failing injection pump for this one, and the difference is noticeable right away. Engines start more easily, acceleration feels stronger, and power output goes back to factory-level performance. That translates to faster cycles on the job site, less fuel wasted, and an overall smoother operation. There's also the financial angle. Fuel is one of the highest ongoing costs in heavy equipment operation. An injection pump that isn't functioning correctly doesn't just hurt performance, it burns through diesel inefficiently. The 10R8899 ensures precise delivery, so every drop of fuel contributes to actual power rather than being wasted over time. That difference adds up to real savings, which is especially important for companies running multiple machines every day. Durability is equally important. This isn't a lightweight consumer-grade product. It's a rugged, tested component designed to survive the harshest working conditions. Construction sites, mining operations, and industrial environments throw everything at these engines, and the 10R8899 pump is built to keep going through all of it. Reliability in tough conditions is what separates a decent replacement part from one you can actually trust. Downtime is another factor where this pump makes a huge difference. Anyone who's worked in construction knows that when a machine goes down, costs skyrocket. Projects get delayed, workers stand idle, and deadlines slip. A dependable replacement fuel pump is insurance against that scenario. By ensuring your machine is running efficiently, you reduce the risk of costly downtime and keep operations on track. Installation is straightforward because this pump is engineered as a direct replacement. While it's not usually a task for someone without mechanical experience, a trained technician or service crew can install